Hey, this is Chez with Forever Buildings, just on site at a building we just completed near Rockville, Indiana. Awesome building we just finished. Gorgeous looking, 30 by 40. Got it finished in about 3 or 4 days. Even with the weather, it's still turned out to be an amazing building. So it's got 3 big doors to go in, a walk door, some windows. I'll show it to you here. Customers couldn't be happier. They're so excited. But got the process finished for them and built them a building. We were able to design it, find where we wanted to put it, do the site prep, build the building, pour concrete. All they had to do was pick out some colors and tell me where they wanted it, and then just pay for it. So pretty simple process. We'd love to do that process for you as well. Let me flip the camera around here and see if I can show you the building. Gorgeous looking building. All right, so here's the building. Gorgeous 30 by 40. Had a little approach on the front there as well. Had some windows in the door there. It's got some snow guard up top. These guys didn't want gutters, but you can always put gutters on the building. Just a fun process to go through with the customers. Like I said, I'm here just outside of Rockville, Indiana, out in the country, and just a solid door there. Those are some regular windows. They put wainscoting on this building as well. It's a little taller. It's a 12-foot building because they're going to put a lift inside of it. So we were able to do some columns inside there in the ground so the ground could support that lift as well. Here's the back side of it. They didn't put any windows on the back side for security purposes, but really a great building. Exciting to help design and build a building for this for these guys. So hey, set up an appointment. I'll help you design a building and figure out where to put it on your property, exactly what you guys want, just like this customer behind me. So real excited about it. Give me a call, press the button below, and you can set up an appointment for Forever Buildings with Chez. I look forward to hearing from you. Hope you're having a great day. See you now.